Come down this road once before?
I think so. You mean today?
I remember that bar that we passed right there.
Oh, we've been here before, yeah.
Yeah, I remember that bar.
Maybe I can get my fishing pole out here. Oh, yeah. Here, hold this for a second.
Huh. That's all I gotta do?
That's all you gotta do.
Okay.
Think I should get my fishing pole out?
Do what you gotta do.
It's still going.
Is it? Oh.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I'm gonna get my fishing pole.
Yeah, I'll let my truck have a rest.
There's a little trail down to the water. Let's see now, I gotta get the pole. Yeah. There it is, right there. Here's the fishing tackle right here. Yeah.